A very good morning to one and all. Myself S.S. Jugale, and today onwards I am dealing with the subject manufacturing process 3. Within this manufacturing process, the first chapter is numerically controlled machines, that is NC machines. Today we have to see the basic fundamentals of numerically controlled machines. What is numerically controlled machines? A numerically controlled machine is a tool may be defined as method of automation in which various functions of machine tools are controlled by letters, numbers and symbols. Means what? By doing the automation, we have to feed generally a program which is in the form of letters, numbers and symbols. Basically NC machine runs on the program fed to it. The program consists of precise instructions about the methodology of manufacture as well as movements. In any numerically controlled machines, the prime importance is that programming. In case of programming, you have to use different letters or different numbers and different symbols to execute the program, that is to execute the manufacturing process. So NC machine generally uses a basically program as a input. Then classification of CNC machine tools. Generally CNC machine tools are classified as number 1 based on the motion type, that is a point to point motion system or continuous system. In case of point to point system, your tool holder completes the manufacturing process by point to point, but in case of countering system, that is continuous path system, manufacturing or machining or any milling process or any manufacturing process is completed in a continuous path. Second is based on the control loops. Number 1 is open loop system and second is closed loop system. Classification of CNC machine tool based on the number of axes. Here, number of axes. In any numerically controlled machine, there are 2 and 3 axis CNC machines are there in the market, and 4 and 5 axis CNC machines are also there in the market. 2 and 3 axis CNC machines are generally used for semi complicated operations, but 4 and 5 axis CNC machines are generally used for doing the complicated operations. Number 4 is based on the type of drive used. There are different types of drive used to operate the CNC machine tool. Number 1 is electric drive or hydraulic drive or pneumatic drives. In case of electric system, electric current is used for operation of machine tools. In case of hydraulic system, hydraulic fluid or hydraulic force is used for completing the operation. Or in case of pneumatic system, air as a media used for completion of the particular CNC operations. Next is component of CNC machine tool. There are different components of CNC machine tool. Number 1 is part program. Number 2 is program input device. Number 3 is machine control unit. Number 4 is drive system. Number 5 is machine tool, and last is feedback system. So generally this is a machine where you get the input from this particular control unit, and control unit receives the input from this particular input device. So what is the exact block diagram of CNC machine? This is the block diagram of CNC machine, where machine can be controlled by this particular series of numbers and letters, that is input device, which is in the form of a coding. Generally input device supplies or provides the code to the machine control unit. The machine control unit has a 2 divisions. One is data processing and second is control loop. Data processing unit analyze the data, where control loop unit execute it. It will transfer the same motion to the driving system. Driving system connected with the machine tool. It rather it is a hydraulic drive or pneumatic drive, performs the operation on the job to be manufactured, and machine will gives the feedback to the again machine control unit, and machine control unit displays the required process. So this is general block diagram of CNC machine. Number 1, part program. A program is a series of coded instruction, that is G code, M code, etc. So part program is a series of coded instruction required to produce a part. It controls the movement of the machine tool and on-off control auxiliary functions such as spindle rotation and coolant. Part program also instruct are composed of letters, numbers and symbols. It also gives the input as per your programming. Next is part program input. The part program input device is the means for the part program to be entered into the CNC control. 3 commonly used program input devices are punch tape, reader, magnetic tape reader, and computer via RS-332C or USB communication. This is the part program input, means input provided to the machines through a punch tape reader, magnetic tape reader, or a computer, or what we call as a USB communication. Main important part of the CNC machine, that is machine control unit. The machine control unit is the heart of CNC machine system. It is used to perform the following functions. It performs to read the coded instruction. Machine control unit first of all read the coded instruction provided by input. Second is to decode the coded instruction. It will decode the numbers, letters which is in the form of coded instruction. Third is to implement the interpolation, that is linear, circular or helical etc. to generate the motion commands. Next is to feed the axis motion commands to the amplifier circuits for driving the axis mechanism. Next, fifth is to receive the feedback signals of positions and speed of each drive axis. It also performs to implement the auxiliary control functions such as coolant or spindle on off or tool change. So these are the main basics functions which can perform the MCU, that is machine control unit. Next important part of the CNC machine is drive system. A drive system consists of a amplifier circuits, drive motors and ball lead screws. The machine control unit feeds the control signals to the each axis and the amplifier circuits. The control signals are augmented or received to actuate the drive motors, which in turn rotate the ball lead screw to position the machine tools. Generally, the drive system receives the signals from the MCU and it will perform as per their signals. Next is feedback system. The feedback system is also referred as the measuring system. It uses the position and speed transducer to continuously monitor the position at which the cutting tool is located at any particular instant. The MCU uses the difference between the reference signal and feedback signal to generate control signals for correcting the position of speed errors. Feedback system generally tells each and every part to the cutting tool for its proper location and proper position. Design consideration of CNC machine tools. While designing any CNC machine tools, we have to know the better accuracy to increase the productivity. For design any CNC machine tools, we must know the parts tolerance. What tolerance we have to work. So part tolerance are important. The size of the material blank for machining or milling or drilling or any process which we have carried on the CNC machine, for that particular before programming we must know that the size of the material blank. Next is the type of material is considered or machined. Rather it is brittle, rather it is a ductile, or which type of material is to be considered while the machining, because it will beneficial to use the different tools for the different materials. Next is the wall thickness of part to be manufactured. It is important part because speed fit depth of cut is can be generally changed as per the wall thickness. And last is undercuts. Undercuts is important because these undercuts are the critical parts in the assembly. So undercuts are important while designing consideration of the CNC machine tools. Next is guideways, spindles and ball screws. The drive units of the carriage in the CNC machine tools are generally the screw and nut mechanism. Generally in any CNC machine, guideways and spindles are generally screw and nut mechanism. There are different types of screw and nut used in this CNC machine tools, which provide low wear, higher efficiency and low friction with better reliability. First is the rectangular ball screw assembly. Has flange in the nut. Look at this. This is the rectangular ball screw assembly, which has the flange in the nut attached to the moving chamber and screw to the fixed casting. Thus the moving member will move during the rotational movement of the screw. In this type of screw, ball rotate between the screw and nut and convert the sliding friction as a conventional nut and screw to the rolling friction. As a consequence, wear will be reduced and reliability of the system will be increased. Generally, ball screw bearing are used because it reduces overall friction. We know that the traditional Acme threads are also used in the CNC machine tool, but it has efficiency near about 20% to 30%. When we use ball screw instead of Acme thread, we get the efficiency near about 90%. There are two types of ball screws. First balls are the first type balls are returned through a excellent tube after few threads. Another type balls are returned to the start through a channel inside the nut after only the one thread. These are the backlash free threads. These of the screw provide threads are movement. Their efficiency are same as that of the ball bearing. These are capable of providing more accurate position control. Cost of the roller screw are more compared to the ball screw. The thread form is a triangular with included angle of 90 degrees. There are two types of roller screws, planetary and recirculating screw. The rollers are threaded with a single star thread. Teeth are cut at the ends of roller, which meshes with the internal tooth cut inside the nut. The rollers are equally spaced around, are retained in their position by spigot or spacer. There is no axial movement of the collars or rollers related to the nut. They are capable of transmitting high load at fast speed. These are the recirculating roller ball bearing. These are the recirculating ball bearing. These are the series of recirculating ball bearing which is situated inside the roller. These rollers in this case are not threaded and are provided with the circular groove and are positioned circumferentially by cage. The cage is provided for the protection of the recirculating ball bearing. Thank you. This is the basics of CNC machine tool.